Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 13 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create the rooms and booking model, right? In which we will save the data of rooms and bookings, obviously. So in our previous video, we have seen that how we can create the model, and we have created the room type model. You can see in the 12th video, and we also discussed about that how we can create the admin for the Django, which defaults come with the Django installation, right? Django package. So this is our front end, and currently we are working with the backend, so no use of currently we are not using the front end for now, but obviously we are using the backend system. So this is our backend admin, right? And you can see here we have registered our room types model here, right? So if you open this project, and if you open the backend, right, so we have a two folders, mainly backend, front end, right? And in the backend you can see that we have a app which is a rooms, right? In the rooms we have a model, and in the model I have created a room type model, right? Two fields, title and detail, right? So let's create the rooms and booking model. We'll see that we, in which fields are required to create, and we will discuss a lot of things. Okay, so let's start to do this, and we will register that model here, so we can create some data from the backend admin. Then we will create the API after creation all of the models. Okay, so let's start to work on the room and booking model. Okay, all right, so what we need to do, we have a, first of all we'll create a rooms model, right? So let's create class room model. So the first field will be room type, right? Room type, so room type will be foreign key because it will attached with the room type. So we need to define here room type, correct? And then on delete, if I delete the room type, then what should happen? So happen should be cascade means when we delete the room type, it will delete all the attached rooms, right? After that, we will say room number equal to models dot, it should be character field, and max length will defined 200, or we can say 100, right? And any description, then here we can define. So maybe it will not use this so much, but let's define this. And by default null equal to true, it means it can be empty, correct? So this is our room model. Now let's define the, okay, so let's review one more time our front end. So we have room type, then in the room type, these are the room types. Okay, so when we click any of the room type, we have here rooms. This is showing the booking form, it will show the rooms images. These are the amenities which will show, right? In the room type model we didn't define the rooms images. Okay, so we'll define now after the creation of room and booking model. Okay. Okay, so I think we should create the booking model now, because in the room we have defined which room type attached with this room, and room number, room description. Okay, so let's define the booking model. So whenever a user book the room, it will save the data in the booking table or model. Okay, all right, so let's start the booking model. So class bookings model, sorry, model dot model. Okay, then we need to define which room is attached in this booking, right? So let's say room number equal to, we'll define here room. All right, and then we also need to define which user booked the room. Okay, so what we need to do here, so let me do one thing before defining anything. From Django. Okay. So we also need to save the booking, who is booking. It means we need to save the user field, right? So what we need to do, Django by default comes with the authentication model, which includes the user model also. Later we will extend this for our user management. So from Django dot contribution dot auth dot models import user, correct? So user, so we'll say user equal to, sorry, so room number, and then we'll define users. All right, so this is our booking, and then we need to define booking date, right? So booking date will be model start date time default and auto at equal to true. Now we need to define other things. So total guest equal to model start integer field, correct? And then check-in date equal to, it should be date field, so model start date field, correct? And then checkout date equal to model start, it is also date field, right? And charges, so this is our booking model, so we'll say booking amount, right? So model start integer field, this should be float field, so this is model dot decimal field. Okay, so max digits equal to, we'll say a 10, right? And then decimal places 2, correct? So these are the main fields. So checkout, check-in, who is booking, which room is being booking, and total guest, check-in, checkout date, total amount, right? Booking amount, it means total booking amount. And one more thing, booking detail. So this we will save the all booking detail as a JSON format, so I will say JSON field, right? So now let's migrate this and create, currently we have just created the structure. Now let's create the structure in the actual table. Okay, so what we need to do, we'll stop the server, clear the screen. What is this? Okay, now py manage.py migrate, right? What it is saying, the rooms have changed that not reflected. Okay, py manage.py, first of all we need to run make migrations, then we can run migrate, right? Let's open the pg admin, open it. Okay, now let's run the server. Since it's opening, let's do one more thing. We'll add the both model in the admin. So we should have room, right? And then we also have booking, correct? So it's opened. Let's open. What is this? Okay, it's opened. Now let's open this database, Django HMS. Okay, then schemas, then tables. So here you can see we have room booking, rooms. This is app name, and this is, we can you can change that. You need to define in the meta, meta class meta, and room types, right? I will show you that how we can do that. All right, so this is our tables. If we see one of the table, then you can see here the fields are right. Now what we need to do, we have defined we have also attached this models in the admin. So let's go to admin, and if I see here, all okay, we need to restart the server. All right, so you can see here bookings, room types, rooms. It automatically converts the name in the plural name, right? So these are the bookings. If you go to the booking, then you can see here add, this is showing for the room number, admin, total guest, check-in date. As we defined integer, so it is making the number, checkout date, booking amount, booking detail. Okay, so we'll define the JSON field here when we define from the front end, right? So if I define the room, let's say a single bedroom 101, this is description, this is testing description, right? Save. And if I go here in the bookings and add here, so room 1, admin, total guest say 10, check-in date, let's say today, checkout date, let's say 20, booking amount, let's say 5,000. It will be auto calculated. Let's default this say null. Okay, so this is saying this is required field. Okay, so let's do one thing. This is not required field, so we'll say null equal to true. Okay, and let's define one more thing, class meta, right? Class meta, then we need to define, okay, let's remove this. First of all, let's say booking null equal to true. So we'll go to here and run the migration again, migrations, migrate, oh sorry, migrate, run server. And if I see here resend, what is this, add, why this is showing null? Okay, it should be true. Let's see, and let's say 20, booking amount, save. Oh, we need to define this not required. All right, so what we need to do, we'll do this here, blank equal to true, right? So let's remove this, make migration, migrate, run server, and do this now, resend. So data is saved. Now it's we can save this as a blank. Okay, one more thing, I was defining the string, sorry, self, we'll say here return, format this string, we'll say room dot room number user, correct? Sorry, room number dot room number, and self dot user, sorry, self dot user, correct? So if I see here, you can see this, right? And one more thing, let's define, this is only the room number. Okay, let's also define room type, so it will be more, beneficial. So what we will say, self dot room type, correct? So if I go to room types, it's showing this room number. Okay, sorry, so single bedroom 101, or we need to define it here, sorry, sorry. All right, so 101 and single bedroom, correct? Later we will more modify this. Okay, so we defined two things, a rooms model and booking model, and also showing in the admin. So this part is done. So in the next part, we will work on the other things, right? We will show the event model. We will create the event model and all that, right? So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any confusion in doubt, then please add in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe, like this video, right? And thank you so much. And if you need the source code of this project, then please send me an email, or you can go to github.com/codeartisanlab. Okay, and the first one is hotel management system, Django, DRF, PostgreSQL, and I've defined all the things, right? And you can get the project, okay, source code. So thank you so much, and keep watching Code Artisan Lab, and we'll meet in the next video. I hope we are doing the great work. So please comment in the section, yes, great work, and so I can understand that people are watching this and liking this. Okay, thank you so much.